Hello friends, today's topic RBI announcement pushes certain stocks up. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. Today morning, after the RBI committee is meeting for 3 days between 5 and 7 June, the RBI governor announced that RBI decided to keep interest rates unchanged until the next meeting 2 months later. This was on expected lines as most economists and market experts feel the interest rate cut is likely to start only after similar action is taken by the US Federal Reserve. The US Central Bank has indicated that there may be interest rate cuts towards the end of the year. Since the Indian economy is doing well, there is no urgency to cut interest rate. Inflation is also at manageable level of around 5%. The RBI has kept the interest rates unchanged since February 2023. When the RBI increases interest rates, it means that commercial banks such as HDFC Bank, SBI, ICICI Bank will need to pay higher interest rate to borrow funds from RBI and vice versa. When interest rates are hiked, banks are forced to charge higher interest rate on loans given by them to individuals and companies. When loans are expensive, EMI payments rise and hence lower savings for people and lower profits for companies. This will lead to lower demand for goods and services, resulting in fall in price and thereby reduction in inflation. However, when the interest rates are cut, the opposite happens and people are able to spend more on economic activity increases. So, rate hikes are negative for stock markets and rate cuts are positive for stock markets. Generally, when rates are kept unchanged, also markets perceive it to be positive too, since companies will not be impacted negatively. Due to the RBI announcement, Nifty rallied by 2% today and closed above the 23,000 mark at a new lifetime high. The RBI governor increased the projection of India's GDP growth for 2024-25 from 7% in April 2024 meeting to 7.2% now. RBI expects inflation at 4.5% in this financial year. RBI will take initiatives to bring inflation below 4%. Inflation could reduce, the monsoon is above normal as expected, the agricultural yield is good. Certain sectors will react positively due to this news. 1. Banking and finance sector stocks. When interest rates are stable and not high, the possibility of banks and financial institutions is not impacted negatively. Hence, various banks such as HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, etc. rallied by more than 1% today. 2. Real estate sector stocks. Majority of the real estate properties bought are with the help of loans. If interest rates are not high or they are cut, new purchase of properties may become easier. Hence, the sales of flats and other properties could rise in the coming months. This will have a positive impact on real estate stocks such as Shobha, Brigade Enterprises, Macrotech Developers, DLF, Corded Properties, etc. Many of these stocks were up by 2 to 6% today. Now, the third sector that will be impacted by this RBI announcement is automobile sector stocks. Another sector in which customers usually take loans to purchase products are cars and two-wheelers. Most people take some amount of loan to buy their dream vehicle. So RBI not hiking interest rate is a positive for the sector. Example, some of the companies which may be positively impacted are Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, M&M, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motorcar, TVS Motors, etc. For the sake of learning, observe these stocks as above three sectors which are called rate sensitive stocks. Market has rallied due to the RBI announcement, positive GDP growth and low inflation. When RBI cuts interest rate in the coming months, stock markets may cheer it further for rallying more. Let us wait and see the new government takes some steps in the budget for the benefit of the common man. End of the video, here is a question. Looks like the post-election rally has started. Do you think markets will touch 25,000 before year end? There are three choices for you. possible, impossible, not sure. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.